Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! And you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes! So I will be providing you all the information that you need to know from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, I'm excited to be sharing to you the latest collection of LV. That will be coming soon, so kindly stand by for the prices and SKU. So once I have them available, I'll be creating a separate vlog. So guys, we are going to discuss the women's Spring Summer 2026 collection. So first we have this beautiful Alma trunk. So for this Alma trunk, so as you can see, the material is leather, and what I love about this Alma trunk, it is embellished with crystals in the spring flower motif. Comes with detachable leather strap, detachable key clochette lock and keys. So next on the collection, so we have on the same theme, the capucines, I'm guessing size BB. So the material of this one, of course, is the very luxurious Tyrolean leather, colors noir, guys. And of course, it is embellished with same way with crystals in the spring flower motif. So with the classic capucines, this would come with detachable leather strap as well. How gorgeous and unique this capucines is. Next guys, so it would come in a different colorway. So this time like in a color like dark blue. So capucines BB. So this one still from the women's spring 2026 collection. Material, as we could see, is the very beautiful green Tyrolean leather. So the difference of this one, the floral motif is now embroidered compared to the other one, which is like embedded rhinestones. So going back to the rhinestone or beadwork detail, we have the very chic vanity chain pouch. So this one, so as you can see, the material is calfskin leather in noir. It comes with detachable key clochette lock, keys, and of course detachable strap. So as you can see here, so the vanity chain pouch is a slimmer version of the classic vanity pouch. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zimony bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zimony bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zimony.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zimony.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection guys, so we are going to discuss a new material. So first we have the lipstick pouch of the women's spring summer 2026. So the material of this one guys, as you can see, is monogram canvas like in colorway sand. Of course, it would come in the spring flower motif. It comes of course with cowhide leather trims, and it comes with gold hardware, so you could put this and attach it to any of our bags. Then we have the classic card holder. So as you can see, this is the close-up view. So the base material would be the monogram canvas with the spring flower motif or design. It comes of course with cowhide leather trims. So this is a classic card or flat card holder, so you could hold maybe maximum of 3 to 5 cards if you are going to just put them on single slots. Then next on the collection, so we have the very beautiful and very functional all-in size BB. So the material is the classic monogram canvas, but in the colorway like sand or beige. It comes, of course, as you can see, the very beautiful spring motif flower. And just like with the all-in BB, this bag would come with detachable monogram canvas pochette that you could fully detach and use separately or use it with the bag as well. Then guys, just look at this one. So this is a runway piece. This is the Squire. So hopefully I'm getting the name right. So same material, guys. So for me, guys, this is like a east-west version perhaps of the Alma BB, but of course the difference is, as you can see, the top handle was changed into a longer strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag, which is now on trend. So next, guys, we have the Necessaire. So again, apologies for the mispronunciation. So this is like a vanity bag. This is a runway piece. So I've seen this on the collection. So as you can see, this is how you're going to look like on the interior. I feel of course, exterior would be made of monogram canvas. Then the interior, it could be the wipeable interior, or it could be a lambskin material because this is a collection piece. Then oh my god, how beautiful is this Nano Speedy. So if you're going to see this right away, check with your CAs, pre-order this one because this is so beautiful. Just look at the close-up view of the material of the monogram canvas with the spring detail of the plants and the flowers. Then of course, the leathers are pre-treated, so you are not going to worry about color water stains of that if, for example, it would be a vachetta. Then let us discuss a different material for the women's spring summer 2026. So as you could see, I'm guessing, guys, that this could either be a printed calfskin leather or a printed canvas. Then of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. So as you can see, the main body of the bag, it looks like a vintage LV print, and of course it comes with detachable leather strap. It would also be designed in the classic side trunk. So again, guys, the material could either be printed calfskin leather or printed canvas with cowhide leather trims with the LV or the vintage LV design, but it has of course the classic side trunk detail. So S-lock for closure, two straps, top handle, and of course a crossbody strap. So next on the collection, so going back to the same, so we have the Speedy 30 in trunk. So the main material of this one now, guys, is the classic monogram canvas, and it comes with the cowhide leather trims, and of course the bottom part, as we can see here, it has the trunk details. So I haven't seen this one yet, so how do you feel about this one, guys? I'm not really sure if I'm liking this because of course with the trunk at the bottom part of the Speedy, but I feel this one, I think I like it better. The bottom part, that is the upper part, because it looks kind of vintage for me, but I guess that's what LV is trying to lure us in, the vintage appeal of their classic bags. So this is the Speedy 22 trunk. So it comes with the two materials, as you can see here. So the vintage print, then the bottom part would be the trunk in the classic monogram canvas. And then guys, how gorgeous and unique this shell trunk is. So this is a trunk for jewelries, as you can see. So the middle part, you could put your rings, and of course on the other ones, of course, you could put your rings, earrings, perhaps maybe even necklaces. What I love about the shell trunk, so the interior is like the aqua or turquoise colorway, gold hardware, and it is a shell shaped jewelry trunk. Then we have, guys, the very beautiful and classic dop kit. So this is probably the most luxurious and chic looking dop kit that I've ever seen, because as you can see, it has the trunk details, the studs on the side, and on the corners it has the metal details of the trunk. Then of course it comes with the adjustable top handle, so perhaps you could wear this one as a top handle as well. Then we have the LV mirror. So if you want to have a full collection, then check out the Louis Vuitton mirror. Just please check with your CA if this is going to be available for sale. Materials monogram canvas with the flower print design. So this Louis Vuitton mirror, as you can see, it comes with like a top handle, so maybe you could carry this one as a bag charm as well. I'm not really sure though, but this one, guys, so chic. So if you are one of those collector who loves collecting Louis Vuitton pieces that is very unique, then definitely get this one. So as you can see, it is shaped like a shell, so I'm not really sure. So I'm guessing that the main material, guys, is monogram canvas, and they have really shaped it into a shell shaped bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!